Oh my god, I just found out there's a diary room in this game and I can say anything I want and no one can judge me. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am the most strategistic player in this game. People don't even know. I'm in online sales, but to be really crafty, I lied about my occupation and said that I'm a PhD. Because, if people think that I work on the computer, they'll think I know how to type and therefore play the game. And, I will not be fooled. I will not be made a target. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and, buzzworthy? How do I make myself popular? I was never popular. I was the girl playing Yu-Gi-Oh cards with all the fat mouth breathers. What? And now I'm in Big Brother? Oh my gosh. I didn't do the dance when I got the key, though. Man, that's so lame. What are we watching? This isn't happy time at the frickin' squid party. Oh my gosh, you guys. Twirl my hair. I know that I, can't articulate things. I can't even get my voice together, but, things happened. And, oh my gosh, Duran is in the house. Ew. Oh, Duran. I can't make up my mind if I like him or hate him. But, he talks, and I don't know. I don't like sharing the spotlight. Why can't I talk? Why don't you guys let me talk? Why can't I just be the greatest? I just want to be the greatest, but not too greatest. Can't let anyone know that I'm in online sales, because that means I use a keyboard. Oh, I gotta think of another plan than lying about my occupation, but it works for everyone else in all the reality shows, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like I need, a funny joke or a stick. Knock knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange is the New Black is a good show, but not as good as BB House of Shade. It's the greatest.